Hello everybody to lesson 18 of CSS Attractive Design. In this lesson we will know something called overflow and the index. Overflow, we will know that when we have some text, how we need that text to be printed, whether overflow or scrolled or hidden or auto. Okay, so let's go to the code and see what we have there. I'll write, for example, here a div. Okay, and inside that div I'll write some text. I'll say this is some content. Okay, and I'll duplicate that code here. Okay, so then I will call with element selector, and I will write here, for example, the width would be, for example, let's see, 300 pixel, and height would be 400 pixel, 300 pixel. Great, let's save it, refresh, and see what we have. So here's the text that we have it. Great, let's draw some border also. Border, let's see, slide green. Save it, refresh, and here we are. So this is the let's make it smaller. Let's see, 100 the width, and the height is 102. Save it and refresh. I'm sorry, it's too small. Let's see, it could be 200 and 200. Save it, and here we are. Okay, so let's increase the text that we have here. Okay, so here's we are. This is the text that we have it, and this is the HTML div element. So this, the text that goes out from here, we call the overflow. What do we mean with that? Means when we have a lot of text over the range, over the boundaries that we have there for the element, what should we do for them? We have four elements. Whether overflow hidden, means it will not go out, or scroll, or auto, or visible, means like that. Default is default, which is visible. Great, so let's go and define these things. So here I'll write overflow, and I will say hidden. So when we have any overflow, any text, extra text, we will hide them. So like here we have a lot of text, then we have cutting them. Great, let's make the height 195. Save, refresh, 90, refresh. Yes, I need you to know that there is some hidden here. Look, the text over there, they are hidden. So the text will be hidden. It's like a window, and there is only these things are visible to us. This is the first of overflow, hidden. The next is overflow scroll. So refresh, and here we are. So if we have a text there, we will scroll up and down. Also we have, if we have here, for example, I'll write some horizontal text, then refresh. If you have a horizontal text, it will scroll horizontally or vertically as you want. So this is the overflow scroll. The second would be overflow visible. Visible means it could be print, even if we have overflow over the boundary that we have. Also we have overflow auto, which would be scrolled whenever we have the content, which is, if the content is large, we will see the scroll up and down. So this is about the overflow. We have another element which is overflow X. Okay, so we have something called overflow X or Y. So overflow X means when we have in the X, in the horizontal place, what should we have? We could say hidden means if we have any element or any content in the any overflow in the horizontal, hide it. Also in the vertical, which is overflow y. Overflow y. Overflow y, we could say also hidden, which would be like that. So if we have horizontal and y in the horizontal and the vertical, it will be hidden like what we see now. Or we could say scroll, or also visible, as you prefer. So great, that's great. This is about the overflow, and I think it's so clear. It's not, you should practice and everything will be great. The next we will have something called Z index. Okay, imagine that I have two images. Okay, so this is the first image and this is the second image. Let's see logo. Okay, great. Save them, come to the page, refresh. Here's the first and this is the second. I need the image, the second, to be printed over. Let's put this up. Save it. We need the second image, which is this one, to be put in here over the first with using Z index. How we could do that? We could say here, for the first image, I will define an ID for that thing. I will say Z indexed. So I will define here an ID. This ID is Z indexed. Okay, I will go to the style and hash call the ID selector, and here we are. I will say the position is absolute, and it's from the top 0, from the right, for example, from the left also 0. Great. Or not 0, let's say 30. Great. Let's see that. See what we have. It's here. Great. It's over there. Imagine I need it to let's say from the top, 30 pixels will be, of course. Save it. Read the page here. It will be there. Okay, so let's say from the top I will bought it, for example, 20 pixel. Save it, and here we are. Also the other one, we could put it, we could put, for example, a big distance. We'll see here I haven't written the index, but we could write it. The other one I will write, for example, ID, and there is not indexed. Not index. Copy and come here, call that element, and here we are. I'll write that position, and I'll say it's absolute, and let's see, from the top it would be, for example, 30 pixel, 40 pixel, no problem, and from the left 0. Great. Let's see what we have here. So here we are. So you could see here the image here is under that big image. Let's see, from the top is 0. Save it, refresh. So from the top you could see that the image is over there, it's under the big image. How we could control that this image is over that image, or the vice versa? We could control it with the following thing. We could write here the Z index is, for example, let's see, 20. Save it and come refresh. It would be so the Z index of that one is greater than, even if I write in 1, it would be greater because the default is 0. So Z index is 1, so this means the large image, its index or Z index is 0, but this Z index is 1. If I return that to minus, in the negative side, it would be under the large image. So I think it's clear. So if you want to put this over that image, you could increase the Z index till you get the right position. So if this is the default is 0, the second image Z index default is 0 and the other one is 0, but you could change it to -1 to be hidden, or to positive side, which would be 1 or 2 or 3 or even more, which would be upper that value. It's enough for now, and see you in the next. Bye for now.